Buddy, Lewin here from Remote King. I'm going to be showing you how to calibrate the S4 jaw, which is a Tibbe jaw, on the alpha key cutting machine. So first things first, on the actual screen, you need to go to jaw calibration. Make sure you insert the S4 jaw. It is an additional jaw, you will have to purchase it separately. Once you've inserted it, you want to come over to Tibbe key jaw, S4. Make sure that you change the cutter out for a probe for the calibration and hit OK. It'll go through and do a couple of checks, make sure that everything lines up correctly. And that's calibration successful. Thank you. Done.